If you're experiencing login issues on Algolia, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity in your login information. Step 2. Reset your password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Algolia's support team. Provide them with details about your issue, and they will assist you in resolving the login problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Algolia efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.